Malacca, also known as Melaka, is a historic city located in Malaysia, about a 2-hour drive from Kuala Lumpur. With its rich cultural heritage, fascinating history, and vibrant atmosphere, Malacca has become a popular tourist destination. One of the highlights of a Malacca tour is exploring its UNESCO World Heritage listed historic center. The city was once a major trading port and was ruled by the Portuguese, Dutch, and British, leaving behind a blend of architectural styles and cultural influences. Strolling through the streets of Malacca, you'll encounter beautiful colonial buildings, ancient temples, mosques, and traditional Chinese shop houses. Mami Jonker House is a popular attraction located on Jonker Street in Malacca. It is a unique concept store that combines a museum, cafe, and gift shop, dedicated to the iconic Malaysian brand, Mami. Chicken rice ball is a unique variation of the traditional Hainanese chicken rice dish, where the rice is shaped into small, bite-sized balls instead of being served in its usual form. At the top of Bukit St. Paul, you will find the ruins of the St. Paul's Church, also known as the Church of St. Paul. This church was originally built by the Portuguese in 1521, making it one of the oldest churches in Southeast Asia. It was originally named Our Lady of the Hill and served as a Catholic church during the Portuguese colonial era. However, the Dutch later transformed it into a Protestant church. Explore the A Famosa fortress, built by the Portuguese in the 16th century, which stands as a testament to the city's colonial past. The fortress's Porta de Santiago gatehouse is an iconic structure that has withstood the test of time. The replica palace, Istana Sultan in Melaka, was constructed to resemble the original palace of the Malacca Sultanate based on historical descriptions and records. It serves as a museum that provides visitors with a glimpse into the lifestyle, culture, and heritage of the Malacca Sultanate. As you enter the palace, you will be transported back in time to the era of the Malacca Sultanate. The museum showcases a collection of artifacts, exhibits, and displays that depict the royal life, traditions, and customs of the sultans and their court. Malacca Sultanate War Museum, housed in a fortress-like building, this museum highlights the military history of Malacca. It offers insights into the strategies, weapons, and battles that took place during the time of the Malacca Sultanate and provides a glimpse into the city's defense mechanisms. Spanning multiple floors, Melaka Mega Mall features a diverse selection of stores, including local and international brands, fashion boutiques, electronics outlets, beauty and wellness shops, and more. Shoppers can find a variety of products, ranging from clothing, accessories, and footwear to home goods, cosmetics, and electronics. Menara Taming Sari is a prominent landmark and tourist attraction located in Malacca, Malaysia. It is a revolving observation tower that offers visitors a unique and thrilling perspective of the city and its surroundings. The tower stands at a height of 110 meters and is shaped like a traditional Malaysian dagger known as the Taming Sari. It is named after the legendary weapon that possesses magical powers, according to Malay folklore. One of the main highlights of Menara Taming Sari is its revolving observation cabin. Visitors board the cabin at the ground level, and it gradually ascends the tower while rotating, providing a 360-degree panoramic view of Malacca. The slow rotation allows visitors to enjoy uninterrupted views of the city, including its historical sites, architectural landmarks, and scenic landscapes. From the top of the tower, visitors can see iconic landmarks such as St. Paul's Hill, a Famosa fortress, the Straits of Malacca, and the bustling cityscape. On a clear day, the view extends to the horizon, offering glimpses of neighboring towns and the surrounding countryside. Both Chinatown and Little India are renowned for their culinary offerings. In Chinatown, you can savor delicious Chinese cuisine, including the famous chicken rice balls, nyonya delicacies, and local street food. Little India, on the other hand, offers a wide array of Indian dishes, from aromatic curries to flavorful snacks like samosas and dosas. Exploring the local eateries and food stalls is a must to fully experience the diverse flavors of these neighborhoods. As you wander through Chinatown and Little India, take the time to soak in the vibrant atmosphere, interact with the friendly locals, and immerse yourself in the cultural diversity that defines Malacca. Whether it's browsing through unique shops, sampling delicious food, or admiring the beautiful architecture, these neighborhoods offer a delightful walking experience that showcases the multicultural tapestry of the city. The Ghost Museum in Malacca is a unique and intriguing attraction that caters to those interested in the paranormal and supernatural. Located in the heart of the city, this museum offers visitors an immersive and spooky experience, providing a glimpse into the world of ghosts, spirits, and supernatural entities. The Ghost Museum features various exhibits and displays that depict different types of ghosts and haunted scenarios from different cultures and folklore around the world. As you explore the museum, you'll encounter lifelike statues, eerie settings, and atmospheric lighting that create an eerie ambience. The museum showcases different ghostly figures and creatures, ranging from traditional ghostly apparitions to mythical creatures and supernatural beings. You may come across depictions of popular ghost stories and legends from various cultures, including local Malay folklore. The exhibits in the Ghost Museum aim to entertain and educate visitors about the history, beliefs, and superstitions surrounding ghosts and the paranormal. Alongside the displays, there are informational panels and descriptions that provide context and explanations of the ghostly entities and their cultural significance. While the museum is designed to be spooky and mysterious, it is not intended to frighten visitors excessively. It offers a blend of entertainment and education, allowing visitors to explore the world of the supernatural in a safe and controlled environment. It's important to note that the Ghost Museum is a themed attraction, and the stories and depictions within it are for entertainment purposes. Whether you believe in the supernatural or not, the museum provides a unique and memorable experience that adds a touch of intrigue and mystery to your visit to Malacca. The Shore Sky Tower is a prominent landmark and observation deck located in Malacca, Malaysia. It is part of the Shore Shopping Gallery, a popular retail and entertainment complex in the city. Standing at a height of 43 stories, the Shore Sky Tower offers visitors breathtaking panoramic views of Malacca and its surroundings. The observation deck is the main attraction, providing a unique vantage point to admire the cityscape, the Strait of Malacca, and notable landmarks from above. The views from the Shore Sky Tower are particularly captivating during sunrise, sunset, and at night when the city lights create a magical ambience. It's a great opportunity for photography enthusiasts to capture stunning shots of Malacca's skyline and its architectural gems. If you found this content valuable, we kindly ask for your support. Please consider liking and sharing this video with others who may be interested. By subscribing to our channel, you'll stay updated on our future videos, ensuring you don't miss out on any new content.